Hey there, friends. Today, let's talk about the surprising benefits of confidence for self-driving cars. One major benefit of confidence in self-driving cars is improved safety. When these autonomous vehicles are programmed with a high level of confidence in their decision-making abilities, they can react quickly and effectively to unexpected situations on the road. This can help prevent accidents and keep both passengers and pedestrians safe. Another key advantage of confidence in self-driving cars is increased efficiency. When a self-driving car is confident in its route planning and decision-making, it can navigate traffic more smoothly and efficiently, leading to shorter travel times and reduced congestion on the roads. So, next time you hop into a self-driving car, remember that Hey there, welcome to our YouTube Shorts. Today, we're going to break down discipline in machine learning and what you need to know. In the world of machine learning, discipline refers to the ability of a model to generalize well to unseen data. This is crucial because we want our models to perform well in real-world scenarios, not just on the data they were trained on. One key aspect of discipline is the concept of regularization, which helps prevent overfitting by adding a penalty term to the model's loss function. Regularization encourages the model to learn simpler patterns that are more likely to generalize to new data. Another important factor in discipline is the quality and quantity of the training data. The more diverse and representative the data is, the better the model will be able to learn and generalize effectively. So, as you delve deeper into the world of machine learning, remember the importance of discipline in ensuring your models perform well in the real world.
Hey there, it's great to see you. Today, we've got some exciting breaking news to share with you about the future of the machine learning discipline. First off, researchers are predicting that machine learning will continue to revolutionize various industries, from healthcare to finance. With advancements in technology and the availability of big data, the possibilities for machine learning applications are endless. Moving on, experts are also discussing the importance of ethical considerations in machine learning development. As AI becomes more integrated into society, ensuring that algorithms are unbiased and transparent is crucial for building trust with users. In conclusion, the future of machine learning looks bright, with endless opportunities for innovation and growth. By staying informed and engaged in the field, we can all contribute to shaping a more ethical and inclusive future for AI. So, stay curious and keep exploring the exciting world of machine learning. See you next time.
Hey there, fellow 3D printing enthusiasts. Are you looking to take your skills to the next level? Well, you're in luck because today I'm going to share with you the top 5 easy ways to improve your 3D printing skills. First up, make sure you are using the right filament for your project. Different filaments have different properties, so it's important to choose the right one for the job. Experiment with different types to see what works best for your prints. Next, calibration is key. Make sure your printer is properly calibrated to ensure optimal print quality. This includes leveling the bed, adjusting the extruder, and fine-tuning your slicer settings. Remember, practice makes perfect. Don't be afraid to try new things and learn from your mistakes. The more you experiment and troubleshoot, the better you will become at 3D printing. So there you have it, the top 5 easy ways to improve your 3D printing skills. Keep honing your craft and watch your creations come to life in ways you never imagined. Happy printing!
Hey there, have you ever wondered how you can boost confidence in AI through transforming your habits for neural networks? Well, the key lies in understanding how our own habits can influence the development and performance of artificial intelligence. By adopting positive habits and practices, we can help neural networks learn and improve more effectively. One important habit to cultivate is consistency. Just like how repetition helps us learn and improve, providing consistent data and feedback to AI systems can enhance their accuracy and reliability. Another crucial habit is curiosity. By staying curious and open-minded, we can explore new possibilities and approaches that can push the boundaries of AI capabilities. So, next time you interact with AI, remember that your habits play a significant role in shaping its performance. Let's transform our habits for neural networks and boost confidence in AI together. Uplifting ending sentence. The future of AI is bright, let's make it even brighter with our positive habits.